Today we will introduce some programming and debugging methods of our host 5160. First, we open a hand newspaper. Take out our encoder. Push the copper column of the encoder away. Connect the copper column of the hand report to the copper column of the encoder. Then we press the encoder switch. Select the first item, the address code we want to write to, written on the encoder. Then press the P key. At this point, our B address code has been written successfully. And then, next, we will take a look at the contact information of our home. Our home equipment is connected by non-polar to wires, connected in parallel in sequence, one by one. And finally, back to the mainframe. Connect to the host L1 positive L1 negative terminal. Then after success, we reset all parts and equipment installed on the base. At this point, we turn on the power of the host. We pressed the menu button. Select the fifth system setting. The first item of equipment registration, the initial password is 6. At this point, let's press the confirm button. Wait for the progress bar to complete the devices to which our devices are connected. After the equipment is registered, the host will be automatically reset. Let's check it out. Was the equipment registered just now? Press the first button on the host system information, then select the first item. Select the first item, then press the F1 key. At this point, we will see that the registration information has been displayed. The equipment has been registered. Smoke, sound, and light hand report. Here we go. We're going to make a note for the component device. Select System Settings 5. Item 3 Bus Component Settings. The initial password is 6. At this point, we see the first behavior loop address. For the loop, because we added 5160 hosts as a loop, so if you increase the 01 address code. Here we take 003 as the criterion. 20 yards. It is an 8-digit 20 size defined by ourselves. Device type. The handwriting is defined as 004. The smoke in our house is defined as 002. At this point, our device type is 0. Fire 1. Feedback to supervision. At this point, we will define a fire alarm.